Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily start a meeting and how you can set up your meeting in Webex. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just download the application here and just click here, start a meeting. When you're gonna start a meeting, you got like, okay, you're muted and your mic's off. You can also start a video if you want, or mute it. So now just you can use the computer for audio or connect to video and just get the settings here, then start meeting, and here you got it. Now let's say that we got meeting, join options, phone numbers, and people can easily join here. You can mute people. You got like more options here. You can log the meeting, you can invite, and you can go with like this. Let's send it. Invitation was sent. Let's go to my Gmail. Join me in my personal room. Just join the meeting here. And yeah, so voila, here you got it. Yeah, I can hear myself 2 times now. Okay. Okay, now it should be good. But this is how you can invite someone. So yeah, if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. But this is how we do it actually. It's quite simple. And yeah. So I'm really thinking what else should I tell you about it, but this is probably it. So yeah, thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.